Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first let's open the messages, then pick whichever contact you want, tap on the settings icon then, and now click on select languages. As you can see now we've got English only, and then we can pick some other. Let me choose, for example, Chinese, and we can switch English off, and now we've got Chinese only here. And as you can see, the keyboard language has been changed, so now you can use this language. And then whenever you would like to go back to English or pick some other, just tap on the settings icon one more time, pick select languages, activate for example English, let me find it, right here, then we can unmark Chinese. Let's go back. As you can see now we've got the English back here, and as you can see now we are back in the English keyboard language. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can very quickly, easily change the keyboard language in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.